A group of students have one goal: restoring their community. Devices and social media have been tossed aside as they focus on the environment. It's a partnership between Munro College, Jakes, and the Forestry Department. Romarda Lyons reports.
Ray of
A group
Hope.
of youngsters talking, making plans about getting trees. And it's not a code word for making plans to smoke. It's simply about planting.
That we're not just for ourselves, we're for the community, for the environment, and improving Jamaica's well-being.
That's why they're planting one tree at a time to restore the greenery of Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth. Antoine Grant, president of Munro College Environmental Club.
So I hope my peers, especially the younger ones, to see that I did something and I did something to help the environment, so they could do more for the environment, do more for Munro College, to show that Munro College is not just about education but also about the environment and much, much more.
Hurricane Beryl was the root cause of many trees being destroyed, increasing the risk of erosion, extreme heat, and storm damage in the community. So Antoine began planting seeds of hope, calling several groups to get support.
If it's just to come down here, go to them, call them 24/7, I will do it. And I didn't have to call them a lot because it's honestly great. I got great responses. I got great help. Just everything is just great.
Staff advisor Shauna Parchment says the students took the lead.
The initiative was made by the students that they wanted to do something in the community, and this is what they actually chose to do. So we went out to the stakeholders to actually ask them to assist us in doing this reforestation process.
Seeking volunteers to help dig and plant, they say no experience is necessary, just a willing heart and a pair of hands. Vice President Wyatt Dwyer says it's also about beautification.
To rebuild like some of their parks, the Treasure Beach Park that's down there, to help to re-beautify it. So to make it a place where persons are willing to visit, sit down, chillax, and have a good time.
But he's also thinking about long-term impacts.
The farming economy down here, most of the trees that we're giving are fruit trees, so this can help to benefit them.
This is extremely a good concept because it's their future and they need to ensure that they preserve the planet for their life and actually try to make a turnaround to make it a better place to live.
Now this woman, a resident of Treasure Beach for 40 years, praised the students' efforts.
Yeah, big them up, man. I like that. Very nice, and they're working hard to do their best, and I like that what they're doing. Good work.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Romarda Lyons.
Ray of Hope. Brought to you